Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can rename sections on your Wix websites and their pages in 2026. So let us dive into this. So I will go with this example page here. And as you can see, I added that example pretty blank section here with only that text box. So these sections sometimes may have names, or you of course may rename them. Like we got the header and the footer here to the right, and as you can see, this section is currently untitled. So what you want to do is click into this button here in the top right corner with that text box T of the given section. Or alternately, you hover your mouse over the section, click into these three dots, select Quick Edits. And from here, what you want to do is click into these three dots and select Rename. And give the section a name like, I don't know, About Us intro or welcome page or something like that. And you will see then, if I close that window, you will see yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.